Happy Tuesday, everybody. I'm coming on a little early because I have a team meeting tonight, and I found it's just easier to go live than trying to record it and upload it. I don't know why, but it takes like 5 hours if I do that. So I just thought I would come on, make a super simple cards with you real quick, and see how you're doing this week. It's been a very exciting week for my team this week. I gained a couple new team members. We actually have 3 new team members coming tonight. Super excited about that. And promotions happened, and so super happy to celebrate with them tonight. And with that, so, but I still wanted to give you guys my mini class for this week, so that way if anyone purchases this week, you still get your mini class. The stamp set I'm going to use today is Everyday Thanks. I think at first I could pre-order this, and I didn't because I thought, oh, I don't know. But then it's like now I had a whole bunch of new ideas, and I thought, well, this mini class is perfect, but I also am going to use it to make some tags and stuff. Oh, wrong button. For my cookies. So I'm going to be selling cookies at the farmer's market, and I thought this was a perfect stamp set for making some teachers. I work with some nurses, so lots of people I think you could use this for. I'm not exactly sure. I would love to have ideas on what this is for. I don't know if it's supposed to be like an ambulance light, or it's kind of what comes to my brain. I guess just because I'm in the medical field, but I think you could use it for a bright idea, you know, if somebody has one. So you'll have to tell me, what would you use this stamp set for? So if you purchase this week, you will get the card kit. I have one made already. I just have to put the PDF in it. I haven't gotten pictures taken of these cards yet. So I got the PDF already except for that. And I just am running out of time. So I will do that, though, after my meeting tonight. So let's see. I think I figured out the landscape on this. We're going to see if it stays this way when I turn it down, okay? Oh, looky there. It stayed. Okay, you're upside down, but it stayed landscape. So very happy about that. So these are the 2 cards, and I'm using some new colors, and I also am using, and I think I put it right, the Earthen, I don't think I'm saying it right, Earthen Elegance DSP, and that's part of a suite that I will be doing a class with later. So so this one is for like all my little nursing buddies. I think it's super adorable, and we are going to start with this card. So this is kind of a peekaboo sort of card. So I'm using Pretty Peacock. This is a returning color. Absolutely love. I love turquoise too. I love purple, but turquoise is cool. So I feel like this is like a really dark turquoise. So we're going to fold our 8.5 by 5.5 card base in half, and then we're going to put the white inside so that I will have somewhere to stamp on. So that's just going to go right inside, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. Then we're going to take our DSP. So this is what the one side, but I love this the way it coordinated. And I'm going to get me a piece of scratch paper here, because I'm going to stamp tone on tone, which is my whole team meeting tonight, is we are doing tone on tone stuff. So I think I just was still in the mood. So we're going to take the Band-Aid and just stamp it in the Pretty Peacock. I know that one. I'm going to go ahead and go over that edge just a little bit, so maybe I'll cover that up a little bit. And let's see, I feel like I'm going to go down just a little. And I think I want one down here too. Perfect. Now, while we're stamping, I'm going to take out my, I thought I had another label. I think I'll grab one here out of the kit and I'll just refill it because I thought I had more labels. So this label is from the deckled rectangles. The stitched ones went away, but the deckled stayed. So we're just going to stamp in Pretty Peacock. Ooh, see, I got ink on there. We don't want that. Gotta get my handy. I need to take these baby wipes upstairs for my meeting, actually. All right, let's just wipe that off so we don't get it on there. And then stamp that. And that's all the stamping. Oh no, it's not all the stamping. We're going to first, let me scoot that because before I'm going to take the Pretty Peacock. I think I have the light one here. And I'm just going to lightly, I don't want to get on a whole bunch of that ink because it can smear. Color in my hearts. I think before I put my ribbon on first and then did the hearts, but it's easier this way. All right. Hold on to your blend, though. We're not done. So I'm going to take the variegated ribbon down here and tie a bow. And you do have enough to go clear around your card front in the kit, I promise. I was so happy to see this ribbon stay because I did not use it enough and it's so pretty. And I feel like you can use it with so many different colors, right? All right, now we're going to put some tape. And I'm going to put it all around the edge because I'm going to punch a hole in some of this. So, I feel like I need to put that on my tape. So we're going to put this down just like that. And then we're going to take our two-inch punch, because punches are back, yay, and just slide it up here on the top till it hits the bottom, and then give it a good squish. All right, then that gives us our hole right there. So then we can take our stethoscope and ink it in the Pretty Peacock and then stamp it right in that hole. Perfect. And then I just decided to accent the little bell and the earpieces, and then I'm going to leave the rest just like it is. Then we can take some dimensionals, which I think I ran out down here. I keep forgetting to bring me dimensionals. So I have this sheet. So you know what? I'm just going to take a piece of that and put that, oh, I want it over a little farther. So that ended up going like on my, well, it was bigger than my ribbon, so that's okay, that works. I feel like my bow may be just a smidget big. And then I'm going to go ahead and trim the tails. And there you go. Oh, we want to put jewels on it. Jewels, I wanted to bling it up just a bit because my work nursey friends are deserve to be jeweled. So let's put some just randomly. I don't know how you guys figure out where to put these things. I sometimes really struggle with where in the world where do you put them, right? How do you scatter them? Everybody always makes them look so perfect. All right, there we go. That card was super simple. Now, the next card, I just decided this week that I was not using Very Vanilla enough. So this Earthen Excellent paper really leans towards the Very Vanilla. So I have a 4 1/4 by 11, and I'm going to fold it in half. Then I'm going to layer a 4 by 5 1/4 of Pecan Pie, my new favorite brown. I was a little sad to see Soft Suede go away, but this one is a really good replacement. And then I love the turquoise and the Mauve Mauve, the new in colors in this paper. So that's going to go down, and this one is 3 1/4 by 5. Then I have two, we're going to stamp on 2 things. Now in the kit you get a full one, but I cut mine in half, so you can either use it full or you can cut it in half, one of the two. So we want it to go that way, and this is going to go this way. And we're going to use the Pecan Pie. So this ink is super rich, super, super rich. And let's ink our pencil up. Ooh, there I'm getting sloppy with my inking today. So put that right in the middle. And then I'm going to do the little thanks. And I'm going to do it over to the left. So that way, now I wanted this to look kind of like a pencil. So I've got Bubble Bath Dark. I like the pink. I just felt like it was a little bit richer tone than the light one. And we're just going to color the eraser. And then I wanted it a little bit darker yellow, so I'm grabbing Daffodil, and I'm going to grab the dark one. And I'm going to go down the 2 sides with the dark Daffodil. But I thought I would give it a little bit of dimension, and I would do the light Daffodil in the middle. Okay, so that way and then I got a Pecan Pie here. And we're just going to do a little bit on the bottom to make the pencil lead. And then I took my grays upstairs. So I'm going to use my Stampin' Write marker. It works for coloring, just not like big spots. So just for that little ridge. Alrighty, and that's all the coloring. We're not going to do any fancy coloring on this, just easy coloring. So I want to take this, I use there's these new dies, that's where these dies are from. It's called Nested Essentials, and I cut out the biggest banner, and that is going to go just kind of like the bottom half here. And then that way my pencil can go right along the edge here of our card. Then we're going to take a little piece of this ribbon out of one of the new combos. And here's how I found it. I thought it was easiest to just stick a glue dot, okay, on the ribbon, and then I'm going to, oops, Where'd my glue dot go? I lost it. Alright, so stick it on one side. And I think I cut this a little big, so I'm going to have to trim it. And I did get it to lay flat. So take my pokey tool here, put another glue dot to fasten it, and then I took another glue dot in the down here to smush it. And then I'm just going to I think I got my thing a little bit long there, so we'll just do that. And then I'm going to line it up with the Very Vanilla. And I'm going to spread I had this little piece that I already took the sticky off, so I'm just going to put more down there. And look how simple that was. Isn't that super easy? So that is our 4 cards. I hope you can see them all. I know I got landscape now. I should use it, right? So, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. It's super fast. Sorry. I don't have a lot of chit-chat today. Sorry about that. I'm just so getting ready. So, let me know what you guys did this week and what cards, because it's both Nurses Week and Teacher Appreciation this week. So, these are perfect and easy to make. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you next week. Bye. I gotta figure out how to close my, oh, here it is.